And again, it's Monday, 15th of January 2024, and guess what? I still haven't blown my account, believe it or not. So, last week, as you know, I nearly blew it. So I was all the way down to 44.2, 40.43 or something like that, 45.3, something like that. For those who doesn't know this journey, just watch this previous video so you get the update actually what's happening with this TFT challenge. So, I didn't blow it. I made a little profit, about 300 bucks. So I got all the way. I got a little bit over 45, so almost 45.600. And then today's Monday. It's currently 6:24, and I'm in the two trades. First one is gold, of course, because I just love gold. I don't know why, because it's just pumping. Every time it either pumps down or it pumps up, but it just keeps pumping. So enter this position in the morning in the Asia session, because gold pumping all the time, no matter what. And I already took around this area half of profit. And what I'm thinking is two options. So this either is gonna go from here down here, and it's gonna test this area. I'm gonna enter another position, or as you can see, I already prepared another position here. It's gonna go from here straight up, and I'm gonna enter the position regardless. So I'm gonna add to the already profitable position. The next position is USD JPY, and I enter this in the morning as well during the Asian session, because if you look at the daily, this pretty much looks like daily support, because you could see it was a resistance here, support, broke the support, resistance, broke the resistance, and now we're testing as a support. So again, I got prepared another position here to enter. It's either gonna go back to around these areas and then go up, or from here it's just gonna go straight up. So I will see. Currently it's just started London session, so it's morning in London. We'll see how that goes. But that's pretty much the setup for hopefully this week. I don't want to really enter any more. Maybe one or two positions I might enter, but I don't want to enter too many positions as I did last time, because that just wreck me, and I get really becomes very emotional trading, and I don't want to be emotional trader, if you know what I mean. So that's it. I'm gonna get you the next clip, and then I'm gonna enjoy my food, which I cook by myself. Look at this eggs. Look at this thickness of the steak. It's like 3 centimeters, man. Imagine being vegan, bro. Well, good morning. Fresh morning. Well, I'm gonna show you what happened. This is a gold yesterday, as you remember. Put this down. I already deleted on a chart, so I'm just gonna show you here. And this is 1 to 2.5 risk reward. I took my half profits around this area, and when I was going to sleep, which was around this area, I set up my stop loss to break even, because I was thinking, hey, you know what, this can also come all the way to down, like somewhere in this area, and my stop loss in this area. So I didn't want to get stop out on the profits, which I already made. So as you can see, this sticky candle, which just spiked like on purpose, just stopped me out of my break even, and then just went straight away back up. So I am looking to get back into the gold, but for now I'm in two trades, and I'm still in USD JPY. There's nothing changed. USD JPY, by the way, suddenly start crashing down a little bit on 50-minute chart. This is a USD JPY. I'm still holding since yesterday. I already took half my position in this area, and then I will see. I want to enter another position here. You can see I already have it set up. This is not in position yet. And I'm in another position, which is AUD USD. And you can see this is a very, very beautiful bearish chart. You can see everything's going down on daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, everything. I was originally anticipating or waiting for this price. It was here when I was looking at, and what I was thinking is gonna pull back up here before continue down, but it broke, and I was waiting for this price to go back up here and then go down, but You can see it just broke. It just broke this and it's going straight down. So we'll see what's gonna happen. 2 positions for now. I might enter gold and I might enter another position on USD JPY, but that's about it. So now you know. So I just come to the sauna after workout. I tell you, it's the best thing you can do. It's not really high temperature. You can see it's only 58 degrees. But you know, if you stay here for like 1 hour, something like that, it will do the job. Should be like 100 degrees, really. So if you work out and you have a pain, muscle pain, whatever, go to sauna and then cold shower, or cold plunge if you can. Honestly, it's the best thing ever. Anyway, back to the chart. It's currently Wednesday and I still haven't blown my account. If you've been expecting that I'm gonna blow my account, I haven't blown it yet and I'm not planning to do that. So I'm still in the game, brother. I know you've been waiting for my downfall, but I'm still in the game. So I'm gonna show you what actually happened. So as you know, I was in trades, which was USD JPY, and this is already in my diary. So this trade works really beautifully. I actually closed it. Yeah, actually I closed in this area. So that was like 1 to 5, and I wanted to add in these areas, but I didn't, because every time I wanted to add, it just keeps pumping up. And I believe so also that this trade is gonna keep pumping. If you let, I already deleted my positions. But what I'm planning to do is USD JPY to get back into this is either I'm gonna wait for this to come back here and then going up, or potentially just literally break out. So we'll see what's gonna happen. I'm currently in the trade AUD USD. I already shorted on this one. That was a nice profit. I entered one more position here, but then I closed the break even. And then last night I entered it again. And currently in the midway to my profit target, but seems like it might still go back. I set my stop loss just above these highs because I want to take some profits off the table and I might re-enter later on. But that was the trades, AUD USD and the USD JPY, which got me out of the trenches, basically from 45.2 or 45.3 and got me to 46. So let me see, actually let me show you. So currently balance is 46 of, yeah, 46 almost 100. Equity floating PNL is 46 almost 200. This is the AUD USD trade, as you can see. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Thursday morning, 18th of January 2024, and how are we looking? Let's see. As you know, I was in 3 positions yesterday, which AUD USD, USD CAD, and USD JPY. This is an AUD USD chart, and I shorted here, and then I shorted here. So this was 1 to 2 point, let me just trim this down, 2.6, and I took half of the position when it got to 1 to 2, so somewhere around this area, and I took another half of position in this area on the last one, and I'm still in it like a little bit. Let me just show you. AUD USD, you can see it's still like 35%, $35 profit, and the volume is 0.2 lot. The reason why I left it, because I was thinking just in case this is just gonna fall down off the cliff, then I'm gonna have some positions still in it. USD CAD, as you know, yesterday this position, it's supposed to go up, you know, but you know, it's market. So what happened, it went a little bit up, it went a little bit up, and then overnight it stopped me out on break even on this position, the first position. I had 2 positions open, so this one was stopped out, and this one, the next one, it's still running. It's very close to stop loss. I will see what's gonna happen. If it's gonna hit my stop loss, well then it's gonna hit my stop loss. Nothing too bad. and USD JPY. This was really nice trade. So I entered this first position and I closed it on 1 to 2. You can see 1 to 2, and then next position entered the same amount, and I closed it actually. Let me see. I think I closed it around this area. So it was last night around midnight or just before I went to sleep. So it was over 1 to 3, and I didn't close again the whole position. I still left a little bit open just in case it's gonna still pumping. I still believe we're gonna keep going. I think we might bounce from this area. So if I go here, I think we might bounce from this area, potentially from this area, before we continue up. Might not, maybe just go straight down. We will see. And the balances, so you can see what's the floating PNL. It's minus 30 bucks, just because of the USD cut is there. And the balance is 46,900. So I'm almost halfway back to the original starting balance, which is 50k. We'll see how that goes. It's currently, is it Thursday or Friday? It's Thursday, so I still have today trading and tomorrow trading day, and then we'll see if I can get back to at least halfway through the 50k or 48. That would be great. If not, well, at least I'm gonna stay on that, and then next week I'm gonna plan to risk a little bit more, maybe 0.5%, maybe even 1%. We'll see how that goes, to speed things up in this challenge. Good morning from the wet Cairns. I'm back. I'm not back to the new week. I'm gonna show you just what happened last week, because I realized I didn't actually film what happened. So I think it's fair to show you, as I said before on this channel, I'm gonna be very transparent, so I'm gonna show you what actually happened. I'm gonna show you right here with the position. So last time I recorded this video was on Thursday, and then on Thursday I said I was in USD JPY, and I think one more position, I can't remember which one it was, but I stayed in USD JPY, and this is what happened. Let me bring this light a little bit down. So what happened is I entered this position, and as you know, before I entered this position, actually you don't know, so I entered before a position here around the same area. It went all the way to my profit target, like 125, 124. I didn't take my profits, and then it just stopped me out breaking. But anyway, I entered this position again, and this went a little bit of profit. I was planning to go high highs, so you can see it was like 1 to almost 6. So I was actually planning to go like something like this probably, but that didn't happen. When it got all the way to this area, I took half of the profits, so that was like 1 to, I think, let's say like here, so 1 to 3 almost, something like that. I took half, and the other half is still running. And let me show you on MT5, so you can see that I'm actually not lying, and I'm proving everything what I'm doing. So then later on, when you look at my videos, you'll be like, yeah, this guy actually not lying. He actually did all of this before he get this funded account. So you can see there's two positions, USD JPY, and one is this 36, 38, and one is 49. This one is other position I'm gonna show you right now. But there's reason why there is still USD JPY is too, because I'm still in these positions from before, and I took 3/4 of this position, and I'm still running it because, I don't know, just for fun. And then this is still running, so it's half a position of this one, and I'm planning to enter another position here if we're gonna break out upwards. And I'm in another position, AUD JPY. I don't really like to enter the same pairs, because you know, if one pair goes south or north, whatever it might be, the other pair usually follow. Not every time, but a lot of time that happens. So I like to enter no more than 2 same pairs. So this is AUD JPY, currently in profit. Let me see, currently in profit 180. We'll see how that goes. But you will see the rest of this in the next week video. But for the last week, I learned my lesson to take my profits, especially if you hit your profits like 1 to 5 or something like that. So I didn't do it, so I paid the price to not losing money, but basically not gain any money. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you liked it, do whatever hell you want, you know. I'll see you next video.